everything just fades away.
Hey guys, it's me Shivangi and welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am so happy today. Today is such a pretty day, high tide, good vibe wala day because I am wearing yellow today. Yellow is such a beautiful color and I know that I kind of look like कि अभी बस मुझे जाना है किसी हल्दी में, but हो सकता है आपको जाना हो because obvious सी बात है wedding season आ चुका है, wedding season चल रहा है, बहुत लोग की शादियां हो रही है and जैसे कि मैंने पिछले वीडियो में भी बोला था कि पता नहीं लोग शादी क्यों कर रहे हैं but अब कर रहे हैं तो ज्वेलरी हॉल बनाना पड़ेगा. Yeah, anyways, so basically the thing is कि I remember that I uploaded a YouTube shorts which was about the fact that how jewelry can make and break your look. Jewelries are literally so important and आपका पूरा attire like बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा हो सकता है but not wearing the right jewelry can actually break your look because jewelry बहुत ही ज्यादा important and crucial role play करती है when it comes to putting together all that whole wedding attire or that traditional attire. So yeah, in today's video I am going to share with you guys some really pretty jewelry and इसमें आपको earrings भी मिलेगी. इस हॉल में आपको मैं इयररिंग्स वगैरह भी दिखा दूंगी, नेक पीस वगैरह भी दिखा दूंगी एंड लाइक डिफरेंट टाइप्स एंड डिफरेंट एस्थेटिक्स की. सो या इन दिस वीडियो देयर इज समथिंग फॉर एवरीबॉडी, सो कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. ऑल्सो गाइज, जितनी भी ज्वेलरीज मैं आपको आज इस वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी ऑल ऑफ दीज आर फ्रॉम Amazon. सो इन केस इफ यू वांट टू शॉप, buy, look, check any of these out, make sure to check that description. तुम लोगों का काम मैंने कितना आसान कर दिया ना. तुम लोगों के लिए मैं शॉप करती हूँ and if you resonate with my aesthetics and my style, कुछ करना ही नहीं है, बस जाओ और लिंक पे टैप करो और खरीदो. Like I am saving so much of your time. Thank me. No, actually not. Thank you so much for watching my videos and just supporting me and just watching me saying and just being myself on the internet. I am not even kidding. अगर आपको कोई शादी अटेंड करनी है and if you're about to wear a लहंगा, सूट, गाउन, कुछ भी, I am betting you कुछ ना कुछ आपको इस हॉल में मिल जाएगा. So make sure to watch this video entirely. Yeah, don't wear the wrong jewelry because wrong jewelry can break your look and right jewelry can make your look because we want to look drop dead gorgeous. Yeah, anyways, मैं इतना बोल क्यों रही हूँ, मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ आज मैं इतना, but चलो ठीक है. Let's just get started with the video. Alright guys, so the very first earpiece is from the brand Zaveri Pearl Stone. Like it was a pack of two kind of a thing. This is the first earpiece. इसके साथ मुझे ये भी बहुत easily मिल गया. I am personally obsessed with these earpiece because it's very thoughtful. It is giving off queen vibes, royal vibes and Indian traditional vibes. मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा ये. And if you're wearing a suit, साड़ी कुछ भी, like look at this guys, कितने easily blend हो जा रहा है मेरे येलो सूट के साथ. It's basically inspired from the movie Padmavat. यहाँ पर ऐसे आपको एक फोटो मिल जाएगी, यहाँ पर ऐसे pearls वगैरह लगे हुए, वेरी प्रिटी. एंड हेयर इज लाइक ऐसे डायमंड्स वगैरह. ऑल्सो इफ यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग दैट हैज ब्लू इन इट, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाएगा. येलो, ब्लू, रेड आउटफिट्स के साथ बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. आई फील लाइक कि आप इसको इंडो वेस्टर्न टाइप भी पहन सकते हो, लाइक बहुत ही ज्यादा कूल लगेगा. दीज आर द ब्यूटिफुल इयररिंग्स. दूसरा वाला है वो ये, ठीक है. इसमें भी बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रिटी वर्क किया गया. इसमें भी वही सेम आइडिया ही है, वो स्क्वायर है और ये सर्कल है एंड यहाँ पर भी वही सेम पर्ल डिजाइन मिली है. इफ यू हैव अ ग्रीन सूट, रानी कलर का सूट, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे से बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. These are so pretty. बहुत शाइन दे रहा है जिससे बहुत ये क्लासी लग रहा है and the quality is also really good. So I would highly recommend this. So the next one is this jewelry set. काफी decent and basic सा jewelry set है but ये बहुत ही ज्यादा pretty लगेगा. ऐसे गले पे अगर आप ऐसे इसको पहनोगे बहुत ही ज्यादा pretty लगेगा. This is how the neck piece look and इसके साथ जो ear piece है ना वो भी काफी decent and pretty है. You're wearing a साड़ी, सूट, आप उसके साथ पहन सकते हो, बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. Quality wise it's like very soft and soft इसलिए because it's like very light. बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे strongly hard नहीं है but yeah, quality भी इसकी काफी decent है. This jewelry set is again from the brand Zaveri Pearl and the price of this jewelry set is 369. So overall quality वगैरह इसकी बहुत अच्छी है and if you are looking for some decent jewelry, I highly recommend this one. Okay guys, so the next jewelry set is really amazing. It's basically oxidized jewelry and oxidized jewelry is like evergreen trend जो कि कभी भी fade up नहीं होता है. And the fact that my mom was literally obsessing over oxidized jewelry and I was like, just go and buy one. So basically ये मुझे इतना ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. अभी ये येलो सूट के साथ नहीं जा रहा है. So yeah, this will definitely go with pastel color. So this is from the brand Yellow Chimes on Amazon. ASMR. So you get the neck piece and apart from the neck piece you also get these earpiece जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा cute है. But the fact like इसका जो ये थोड़ा टेढ़ा है. I feel like this is the delivery issue. इतना भी ज्यादा नहीं है, like इसको मैं return नहीं करने वाली हूँ. It's like really pretty. Quality is also very good. Neck piece तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा है. And I am that kind of a person who either wears the neck piece or the earpiece. So I will definitely not return this because इसका neck piece बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है and इसके साथ आपको ring भी मिल रही है. Look at this guys, this looks so pretty. Just imagine me wearing this ring and this whole thing and with that neck piece and at the same time लोगों को विश्वास नहीं होगा but इसके साथ ना ये भी मिला है. I don't have nose piercing stuff but look at this guys. I feel like Diwani Mastani and the fact that you don't even have to get a proper nose piercing. Abhi it's not going with my suit but if I would wear something that's like black or pastel, literally anything that goes with oxidized jewelry, I am going to rock it. Guys, the original price of this whole earpiece and neck piece, ring and everything is 2660 and abhi ye 299 mein mil rahi hai, like 90% off, 89% off, nearly 90% off. One thing I really liked about this neck piece is this dangling thing and the kind of sound it's making. So
thanks to Dermaco for sponsoring today's video. Alright, welcome to my mini skincare session. A lot of people face concerns like pigmentation and dark spots. So here's a kojic acid range by the brand Dermaco with power of 2 actives. Starting my skincare with 1% kojic acid face wash. Yes, you heard it right. Your favorite ingredient is now in a face wash. The Dermaco 1% kojic acid face wash has power of 2 actives, that is kojic acid and alpha-arbutin. This reduces dark spots and pigmentation and makes your skin radiant and clearer. This face wash stays super gentle on the skin and does not feel dry post-wash because it does not strip out the essential moisture of the skin while cleansing and is effectively formulated for all skin types. Next, I'm using 2% kojic acid face serum that has power of 2 actives, that are 2% kojic acid and 1% alpha-arbutin to treat pigmentation and reduce dark spots. Kojic acid penetrates to the skin and reduces hyperpigmentation, dark spots and blemishes. 1% alpha-arbutin controls the production of melanin. The serum helps even out the skin tone and minimizes the recurrence of discoloration. Don't believe me, 80% of users saw a reduction in pigmentation with regular usage. And then I'm applying 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel that has power of SPF 50 and PA++++ protection. It's super lightweight, fragrance free and dissolves like water. The effective combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E helps fight sun damage while also reducing fine lines, wrinkles and making your skin soft like butter. This now comes in an 80-gram value pack which lasts longer. Now grab the bigger pack and don't worry about your sunscreen finishing off early.
All the Dermaco products are fragrance free and these products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Dermaco website. Every time you will buy from Dermaco, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi, and they have even pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year, which I feel like is such a great initiative. And you can be a part of this initiative too by using my code Shivangi2023 to get extra 20% discount on Dermaco website. All the links will be in the description and in the pinned comments, so make sure to check them out. Guys, hear me out. I was so excited for the next jewelry that I'm going to show you. Basically, it's a jewelry set, but I'm kind of disappointed as well. But at the same time, I am still excited. Let me clear this theory. So basically, this is the neck piece. And iske saath, I even received this earpiece and it also has this mantika thing. But I will let you know everything. So this is the neck piece. This looks so pretty, so pretty. I feel like a princess. इतना खूबसूरत कैसे कुछ हो सकता है? मतलब मैं अपनी बात अगर हटा दूं तो यार this is so pretty. Can you see? ऐसे fold भी हो जा रहा है. You don't have to worry. For example, अगर आप किसी wedding को attend करने जा रहे हो and you don't have enough space, so you can just roll it and keep it. के diamonds बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty हैं. पीछे आपको वही डोरी टाइप ऐसे मिल जाएगा. So this is from the brand Sayoni store. Price of the whole thing is 397 rupees, which is quite a steal deal. अभी इसमें 60% off चल रहा है. But moving on कि what made me actually disappointed about this whole set. Okay, इसका जो कान का है ना वो भी बहुत pretty. It really complements the shape of my face. But पीछे इसमें है, but इसमें नहीं है. But since the quality and everything is so good, I will return it and reorder it because ये इतनी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. Delivery issue हो जाता है कभी कभी. I am here brutally honest, but I am at the same time brutally honest about the fact कि मैं इसको अभी return करूँगी and I will reorder it because quality wise, look wise and money wise, it's so pretty. It's like a steal deal. If I'm not in the mood to wear that neck piece or earpiece, I will just throw this and look at this, guys. Look at it. So pretty, right? Very minimal, very chic and very classy. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया ये. जितने डायमंड्स वगैरह सब बहुत प्रॉपरली इंटैक्ट है. बस वही एक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट था कि उसके लाइक जो पीछे वाला था ना वो टूटा हुआ है. बट आई विल रिटर्न इट एंड आई विल रीऑर्डर इट. मूविंग ऑन टू द लास्ट earpiece. Wow. Moving on to the last jewelry, which is basically the one that I have been waiting to show you guys, and that is the one that I have been wearing throughout the video. Is this jhumka. Okay, let me just show you guys अच्छे से इसको उतार के. This is the jewelry and this is from the brand Zaveri Pearl as well. And the price currently is 499 rupees. I feel like it's quite affordable according to the promising quality and the promising beauty you are getting. So basically इस झुमके को देखो पास से देखो कितना खूबसूरत है. Why are all these pearls? I don't know. Maybe I am obsessed with pearls these days. So what I basically like about this झुमका is it really complements the shape of my face. And this is very important when it comes to jewelry. You should know that किस शेप की ज्वेलरी आप पे बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है. यहाँ पर ऐसे डिजाइन बनी हुई है, सारे किनारे से पर्ल्स बने हुए हैं, यहाँ पर भी पर्ल्स वगैरह है. If you are about to wear a white lehenga or a lehenga that has white kind of design, silver design, या something that has to do with royalty and off-white or white, you know what I mean. Might style it for my sister wedding. I'm not sure. I'm still doing all the trial error thing. Really like this and ये बहुत ही ज्यादा pretty है. इसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है, इसके पर्ल्स भी बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत है. I think कि सबके पास ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ तो होना चाहिए because झुमका ही है बेसिकली ये. बट इट्स लाइक वेरी रॉयल. लेकिन अगर आप बेसिक झुमके लोगे ना, उसमें क्या होता है ना कि उसमें ये पर्ल वाली चीज नहीं रहती है. एंड नाउ इट इज अ बेसिक झुमका जो कि आपको हर जगह मिल जाएगा. बट दिस पर्ल थिंग रियली मेक्स अ डिफरेंस. एंड लुक एट द ASMR गाइस, ASMR दे रही हूँ मैं तुम लोग को. सब्सक्राइब कर दो अब. चलो ठीक है. अगर अभी तुम लोग मुझसे ये पूछोगे ना गाइस कि दीदी आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है, तो मेरे सारे फेवरेट हैं. लिटरली आई लव ऑल ऑफ दीज. सबकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है. द प्राइसेस आर ऑल्सो वेरी गुड अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग. हाँ, एक में वो हुआ है इशू, बट ओवरऑल देखा जाए तो इट इज वर्थ द मनी. बहुत ही ज्यादा अफोर्डेबल है, स्टील डील है. आई विल रिटर्न इट एंड आई विल रीबाय इट. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did then you know what to do. Make sure to give this video a bright blue thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. जितनी भी ज्वेलरीज वगैरह की लिंक्स है मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. Make sure to check these out. And अगर कोई भी ज्वेलरी पसंद आए and if you feel like कि जो लहंगा आप खरीदने वाले हो या आपने खरीद लिया है या जो गाउन आप पहनने वाले हो उसके साथ ये ज्वेलरी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, then go and shop the right jewelry because I have given my honest reviews and yeah. That's it. Also, if you have made it this far, make sure to comment down this emoji because I love to address the fact that you guys saw my video entirely. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys in my very next video. Until then, high tide, good vibes. Bye guys. Subscribe.